bago mo i-blow, ano yung birthday wish?
I wish my friends and family will be great.
Alright. Alright, ganda ng wish. Hindi para sa kanya eh, para sa lahat. May palakpakan naman dyan. Okay.
Hey, birthday! Happy birthday, Ashley!
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. Now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put my fire out. You can turn it all around. You can lift me off the ground, so we can fly again, 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 so we can fly again. I've been trying hard not to go out of my mind. No.
Hello. Hi Ashley, happy birthday. I just wanted to I wish you have a good day and you have a good birthday. You know that mommy and daddy will always be here for you, and you're also your ate. I hope you're not gonna be, you know, can I say it? No, I hope you listen to us because we will never, I will always support you, okay? And I want you to be a good girl, as always. And happy birthday, I love you.
Alright, okay, what did you say?
Thank you.
Alright, Picture! Okay, dito na tayo sa ating Sabang Blue Bills. Ayan, okay. Tawagin na natin ang ating first Blue Bill na si Tita Joy.
Yeah, person.
Tita Joy.
Personal nomination.
Nakatugo kayo ng ilong. Ayan. Kasi Tita Joy, maganda mag-message yan. English na English talaga yan.
Hello, Ashley. Happy birthday. I wish you are enjoying your birthday party today, and me and Bella always love you, and we are always here for you no matter what. And what? And
We hope that you have a nice birthday and also happy birthday.
happy birthday, and we love you.
Sure. Sure. Okay, tawagin na natin si Tita Jackie. Tita Jackie.
Ashley, happy birthday. Be a good girl. Always always listen to your mom and study first. Happy birthday, Alan.
Alright. Okay, thank you, Tita Jackie. Okay, tawagin na natin si Tito Puroy. Tito Puroy! Are you there? Yan, sakto-sakto yung dating. Tito Puroy, English ha?
Ashley, ayan, happy birthday sa'yo at sana, I wish you all the best. Sana maging successful sa buhay. Yun lang at saka sa mama. Thank you, thank you.
Picture! Alright, thank you po, Tita.
Oy!
Oh, yung bills! Wala pa kang laman, kayo naman. Kursado. Hintayin nyo. Kaya dito tayo kay Roslyn. Roslyn. Tita ba ate? Tita.
Happy birthday, Ben. I love you. We always here for you.
Alright. Hey, picture po. Tita Rose. At syempre, sana nandito rin si Tita Diana. Ayan, si Tita. Syempre.
Happy birthday, Ashley! Yan ako naman na we always love you at inanay. Love you. Happy birthday.
Okay, thank you, Tita. And again, si Yex. Ate Yex. Birthday. Okay, thank you. Gusto ko merong groupie, 7 groupies. Lahat mo kayo, groupie. Ayun, Tita Michelle. Tinawag ko kanina yun eh. Hindi lumapit. Siya pala yun. Ang daya mo, Tita, ikaw nga yung una kong tinawag eh. Okay.
ligtas ka, ha? Akala ligtas ka.
Kala ko na ako, hindi pala. Happy birthday, Ashley! Huwag kang magpapasaway sa mama mo, be good, and mag-aral ka mabuti. Love ka nila kita.
Aray ko. Okay, groupie muna ulit kasama si Tita Michelle. Groupie muna ulit kasama si Tita Michelle. Ate Clown, pakuha muna ng balloons, yung ating props. Ayan, nasa may gilid. Yan. You said no, and I turned to go. Huwag niyo munang iiwanan hanggat wala yung kasunod. Okay, tawagin natin si Basle. Basta tingin ka sa camera. Yan. Palakpakan naman natin. Walang pumapalakpak kasi. Okay. Tawagin natin si Ivan. Yan po. Proxy po. Ay, Ivan. Ay. Okay, tawagin natin si Ray. Kuya Ray again. Wait lang, magkakalis dyan.
Don't do that! Smile!
Okay, tawagin na natin si Tatay Ni. Tatay Ni.
I love you so much!
Wherever you are,
Kaya! Sasayaw mo daw si Ashley!
And the last, Daddy Nelson. Daddy Nelson.
Nasa US po!
Sige, si Mami na lang. Ayun. Balatan mo na, Clown, yung ating cake. Ayun, na-sweet naman na mag-nanay, na mag-ina, mag-mami. Tapos, groupie! Para sa ating 7 roses. Groupie po. Picture mo na ulit. Lolo, picture mo na ulit. Groupie po muna ulit. Si Robin, si Basle, si Ivan, si Ray, si Ronald, si Tatay Nick, and si Mami.
Ayusin mo naman ang picture. Tabingi eh, gumita ka dun sa may tabi ni Kuya.
Okay, lahat po ng bisita, tatayo po tayong lahat. Gamit na po tayo na happy birthday. Tayo muna po lahat at kukunti naman tayo. Okay, tayo muna para malakas po yung kanta ng happy birthday. Okay, ready? The count of 3. Sabay-sabay tayo. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Boy Blow, ano yung birthday wish?
I wish my friends and family will be great.
Alright. Alright, ganda ng wish. Hindi para sa kanya eh, para sa lahat. Palakpakan naman dyan. Okay, tayo po muna ay kakain muna lahat ng bisita. Kain muna kayo. Okay, tayo.